training have you had for this show?
They put us through it. I mean, fire technical advisor right now is the former fire chief of Los Angeles.
Wow.
Brian Cummings, he's a beast, and like he's kind of royalty. So like even in Seattle, the fire department guys were all like, oh,
everybody knows everybody from all over the country.
They knew him, and so they put us through our paces. Like we had a boot camp that they ran us through, and look, you know the job is hard when getting dressed is hard. Like
I literally know this.
Yeah.
Here's why I bring this up. I am the only female member of the board of Dennis Leary's Firefighters Foundation.
That's what's up.
So every year, I'm setting you up big time, don't clap yet. So every year we do, as a fundraiser for the firefighters, all of the money that Dennis raises goes to firefighters and firehouses large and small. Mm-hmm. And as our annual fundraiser, we are firefighters for the entire day.
Right.
50-pound gear, the masks, burning buildings, the hoses, everything. It is the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. And I've worked 100-hour weeks in restaurants. You crawl around through live fires. It is no joke.
That's awesome.
Yeah, you know what else is awesome? Each one of us is in charge of building a team. It would be pretty cool if I had you on my team. Would you do it for us next May?
Absolutely.
I'm with you.
Absolutely.
I'm with you, and you've already been trained.
I'm there with you. I'm in.
Team's gonna kick some
in the gun.
Yes!
Come on.
Who's the boss, Dennis? Look, yeah, go team.
I realize I've been set up, though.
Dennis is gonna be so jealous.
It is occurring to me that you did set me up, though. I'm like, oh, there's a plan here, wasn't there?
But think of all the good it'll do for so many firehouses.
Look, we went on a Celebrity Family Feud and won $25,000 for the Fallen Firefighters Foundation.
Beautiful.
I've done some other things to raise money for them. So
it's perfect.
And you know, it's look, seriously, the gear is 50 pounds of gear. You know, it's 40-pound suit, 15-pound oxygen
tank. It was
tank.
100 degrees that day too, by the way.
It's insane. And then you go inside the heat. And the funny part was, I keep giving all these props to our technical advisors, and I love them to death. And they're called America's Bravest for a reason. But they said, look, our average fire is like 45 minutes. You guys put on that stuff and wear it like 10 hours. And I was like, so we're doing, he's like, shh, don't tell anybody.
You could probably drop any minute. Yeah, it is amazing how much you have to hydrate.
I love it.
But I love that you keep it real. You know, I like the integrity of that as a television project.
As much as you can.
Anyway, you're delightful, and I will see you again in May, but you can come back anytime before then. I do hear that you have a hidden talent, which is why we got rid of our lovely floral arrangement and replaced it with a bowl of round fruit. I wonder what the hidden talent could be.
Yes, I taught myself to juggle when I was a kid. Because I worked at a baseball park growing up. I spent 10 years in like a baseball park. From 11, I was working illegally for a few years, until I was 21. And I would learn to juggle. I'd go in my brother's room because we'd get, foul balls.
Sure,
and say, that's what kids always do. But you don't learn to juggle in your own room because you put holes in walls. So you do it in your brother's room. You do it in your brother's room. And then when mom gets mad at him for breaking things out, you can just point to him and say, what's up? Now, come here. Come here. You ready?
What am I doing?
Just follow me. Just follow my hands. Just follow my hands. You ready? You ready? Go, 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 go.
That was strangely frightening. You're awesome. Thank you. Make sure to check out Jason and Station 19 Thursdays at 9 p.m. on ABC. You're awesome.
No, thanks.
I'm going to call you. You better show up.
Get at me.